Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right adapter and a powered display. Start by confirming whether your iPhone uses Lightning or USB-C so you pick the correct HDMI adapter. Once you have an Apple-certified adapter and a good HDMI cable, plug the TV into power and switch it to the matching HDMI input. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and near the TV. This reduces delays. If prompted on the phone, allow permission to share video. This ensures the connection will negotiate resolution and audio correctly. You now connect the adapter to the iPhone, then insert the HDMI cable into the adapter and the TV. If the adapter supports pass-through power, plug your charger into it so your phone won't die during playback. This also stabilizes HDMI handshakes. Once done, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input and give the devices a few seconds to recognize each other. Make sure TV audio is set to the HDMI source. Otherwise, you may get picture without sound. You should see your iPhone screen or playback on the TV. Test with a video app or use screen mirroring in Control Center to confirm orientation and aspect ratio. If there is no signal, make sure all plugs are fully seated, try a different HDMI port on the TV, and swap the HDMI cable to isolate faults. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, check for an iOS update, and try a different certified adapter. One key tip: a non-MFI adapter often causes intermittent video. Replace it first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.